today we're going to take a look at Kali installation. I think we did last time is in 2023, I think. I don't know, we did long time ago. I just want to restart again. So I thought giving, to have a good start, I thought let me start from Kali Linux installation again. So let me show you how to download and install. So first you go to Google and type Kali Linux, then we can download from here. So first of all, given a background about what is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a pen tester or the hacking related operating system. So most popular one is Kali, the other one is Parrot. So today's video, we will look into the Kali. So once you go to this website, you just go download. Then there's a few options how you want to run. So in my case, I just want to download as an image, then install in a virtual machine. So first, let me put this to download. I'm downloading Intel version, this is for Intel processor. This is for if you're running Apple. If your desktop or laptop is Apple RM64, then you select this option. But in my case, I will go with this installer. So it's going to take some time, so let's wait for that. Then we begin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open my VMware workstation. You can either download VMware workstation to run your virtual machine, or you can do one more thing is you can go Google and you can go to Oracle Virtual, yeah, this one. So you can download this one also. I feel more comfortable running on VMware. So I go here, edit new box, virtual machine, next. Then you select the install disk image. Then you select the thing, open, next, and Linux. This one doesn't matter what you give. So just Linux. Then you put here. They give a name. I put 2025. Next, I increase the hard drive to 100 gig. And customize hardware. Here I want to increase the RAM. In my case, I have a lot of RAM, so I just give 4. So is the 2 enough? Hopefully it's okay. Yeah, then you start. So here we go and say graphical installation. It will take some time to load. And then we select the language, English, country, for me Singapore. This one is the keyboard is American, yes. Okay, then it will try to detect all the hardware components, and it will try to load all the important files. So it might take some time. Okay. Detecting hardware. Please wait for local. Okay, it's looking for the IP information. I don't know which one I put. Let me see. Oh, NAT. Okay, that's fine. So hostname, what do you want to keep? Kali. Okay, I keep it as it is. Domain, no domain. And look for network configuration. Okay, name. It's need a name, so I give Ducky. Ducky password is whatever you want. You can give. Then detect. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one you give entire disk. Then yeah, for recommendation, we go with the recommendation. Continue, yes. So installation finished. Now we need to say, okay, we want desktop version. Okay. So it's installing some of the things it's need to do. So it's finishing now. It's asking for install a bootloader. So here you need to give yes and continue. Give this one, which is dev SADA. I don't know what that means anyway. So now it's setting up the final touch here and there. Once it's done, it will load. I think it will reboot, then it will load. So that's about, I think there's nothing much we can do in this installation. So it's very simple and very basic. And so it's asking to reboot. Okay, continue reboot. Okay, it's rebooting. Done. again, Kali has a few flavors. Let me see, I can show. So if you are looking at Kali, right, there is a few options. You can use, even you can install in mobile, you can install in mobile, and you can do in cloud setup, you can do in container. So not only that, there is something called Kali Purple. It's a different thing. I mean, this one is basically built for defensive related tools. So this comes with a lot of defensive tools. So you can do the exploration, through documentation, you can check what is the big difference. So see, the Kali Purple contains 100 defensive tools such as, Cyber Chef, Elastic Search SIEM, all those things, and identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover based on NIST framework. So these are cool stuffs available here as well. So, but now I'm going to focus only on Kali, mainly on the offensive side. So this is the one. Okay, let's see whether it's installation finished. Okay, the finish. I maximize full screen. Okay. Oh, sorry. Lucky. So it's done. Yeah. So the installation is done. So you can change the wallpaper or this. Let me change the wallpaper. I don't like. I think I like this. Okay, this is done now. Let me. Now what we need to do is there is one tool called Kali, Pimp My Kali. I think. Let me see. It will help to do some, like what do you call it? It will help to like a polish a little bit. Called My Kali. I think Pimp My Kali. Yeah. I don't know whether you heard of this before. So there is a new release also. I don't know which one is this one updated when. Yeah, this is the one 2.0. So to install this, right, first we need to download this. To download, this one is a removal. This one to clone. This one, okay. So this is from here only. We need to follow this. I open my command line. ls cd desktop. So I'm inside the desktop. I don't know whether it's clear or not. Let me increase the shift. I forgot. Okay, control shift. If you press and press plus button, it will become, increase the font, and if you put only control and minus, it will become smaller. So yeah, so I think it's clear. To clear, type clear. So but now we are pwd is a command. It will tell you which folder you are in. You are in a desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this first, git clone. So this one I'm going to download the folder from particular website. Okay, now if you do pwd, then ls, if you type, you have pimp. So we are moving inside the pimp, Kali, then ls. We have the things what we need inside here. All right, so we go to here, then we can look into how we can use this. So basically we need to run as a sudo and this one, then it will give some options for us to follow. Sudo okay. So what we have here is fix some of the thing. Okay, then here there is something called run this option if this is the first time you're running the Kali. Okay. I mean first time you're running this one means we just follow the n as option. So what we need to do is we need to give them a number. Okay, n press yes. Okay. So this will take some time to to remove unnecessary files. If it is there, then it will add some missing things to make it like a fine tuning the entire operating system. So let's wait it to finish. Yep. So finally the Pimp My Kali is running finish already. There is some messages to reboot. So before I reboot, let me show a few things it's done. I mean, it's done a lot of things. You can see here it's run a lot of scripts and it's remove unnecessary thing, then it's install and make sure that all the needed things are available there. Let me reboot. One more second. So let's wait for reboot to complete. So done. Yeah, reboot is completed and we can see everything looks good. New name is okay. Dash A. Yeah. So it's think it's looks all good. Yeah. Yeah. For today, we saw how to install and download. It's a very simple thing. And then moving forward, we'll learn other stuff related to hacking and scannings and finding vulnerabilities and escalating the privilege. So anyway, I will do one more video about why I am switching 100% to cybersecurity from network. And look forward for those videos soon. Thanks for your time. And please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like your button. It's very needed. Thank you for your time.